Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the President Trump token. Ticker symbol is 47. Now this token has been doing very well, trending almost every day. And right now it's trending number 3 in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Huge market cap, still a huge 24-hour trading volume. And this token pair was actually created 15 days, 2 hours ago. So it's pretty much been going strong ever since it came out. And we're going to go over the information on the President Trump token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So right now, this token is trending number 3 and number 15 on DEX Screener. Ticker symbol 47. President Trump is the name of the token. They have a market cap right now of $7.9 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $7.7 million. They've had 41,141 transactions today. Their liquidity in Raydium is over $500,000, $519,000 in liquidity. And according to DEX Screener, 99.95% of the total liquidity in the Raydium pool is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Now, token price is almost a penny. Right now, it's 0.0092 USD. And this token pair was created 15 days, 2 hours ago on Raydium. And they have a quick audit here on DEX Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. It says the 47th president of the United States fighting for America. Now, if you wanted to get this token, it's on the Solana blockchain. So you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. And then, after you fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Trump47sol.xyz, you would trade your Sol for that token using the contract address. Now you may have to set slippage. I don't think so, though. We're going to look for that in a second here to see if there's taxes and whatnot. But you will have to pay some gas fees, so just be aware of that. Now, just scrolling through their webpage, I don't see anything about taxes. On their webpage, it looks like it's mostly just a link tree. So it has a Twitter, Telegram link, DEX tools, and DEX Screener chart link on their webpage. Not much information on there, just basically a bunch of links. So you're going to find most of the info on the chart sites like Bird Eye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, or on their Twitter, Telegram. Now their Telegram is at 47 entry, and 47 is spelled out. Now they have 2,500 subscribers on the Telegram. You can preview the channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, new token listings, announcements, things like that. It says here on DEX Tools that this token is also listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. They also have a Bubble Maps link and a Reddit link on DEX Tools. They have 15,270 holders so far, so very, very popular token. They have 1.63 thousand pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 30.75 million pooled 47 tokens. Now they do have a quick audit here on DEX Tools. We're going to check that out in a second. So on their Twitter there, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen at Trump47 for USA. They have 135 posts. It says 47th President of the United States fighting for America, has a link to the Telegram, a contract address, so you can easily find it right there, and a link to their webpage. So basically all the links you're going to need are on this Twitter right here, and the rest you're going to find on DEX Tools. They just joined Twitter in October 2024. That's how brand new this project is. Almost 3,000 followers, 2,991 followers. They even have the contract address in the pinned tweet there as well. So it says, they can't stop us. Trump will become the 47th president, and Maga, we will make America great again. Trump is 47. So yeah, it says, every challenge, every setback has only made us stronger. We're not just chasing the number, we're fighting a vision. For every voice that believes in something greater, no matter the odds, we press forward together. We are 47. So let's check out this quick audit here. So they got a DEX score on DEX Tools of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 100% out of 13 votes. And their quick audit by Quick Intel Security on DEX Tools here says, contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, that's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit, and you should always look out for full audits, thoroughly do your own research. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.